Thank you for the opportunity to talk today to you about the basic principles of crop protection and the importance of conducting research on pests and diseases affecting vegetable production. I will start with what is crop protection. It is the science and practice of managing plant diseases, weeds, and pests that damage agricultural crops. The aim of crop protection is to prevent or to reduce yield loss while reducing input costs and minimizing hazards to human health, other crops, wildlife, and the environment in general. It is essential for promoting sustainable agriculture, food and nutrition security, and equitable economic development. Crop protection consists of various integrated disciplines, from genetics to botany, agronomy, and weed science. But then at the center of all these various disciplines is plant pathology, that is the study of plant disease. And plant pathology are then directly linked to bacteriology, virology, entomology, nematology, and mycology. Plant pests are organisms that are harmful to crops, causing mainly mechanical damage. These include insects, mites, nematodes, mollusks, and rodents and other problem animals. The majority of these are invertebrates. Even plants can be a problem for your agricultural crops. Problem plants are grouped as either weeds or parasitic plants. Weeds are regarded as any unwanted plant in your cultivated area for production. Weeds generally outcompete the cultivated crop and can severely reduce the growth of your crop. Parasitic plants, on the other hand, are specialized plants that parasitize a plant host and are extremely efficient in extracting nutrients from this host plant. It then severely reduces the growth of the host plant. Plant diseases are defined as abnormal growth and/or dysfunction of a plant. Diseases are the results of some disturbance in the normal life process of the plant. When looking at diseases, we need to distinguish between biotic diseases and abiotic disorders. Abiotic disorders are caused by non-living agents, and these are mainly linked to the environment. Examples include extreme temperatures, so either too hot, resulting in sunburn, or too cold, resulting in frost damage. Another example is chemical toxicity or nutrient deficiency that can also result in symptoms similar to those caused by plant pathogens. Biotic diseases are caused by living organisms. These include fungi, bacteria, viruses, mites, and nematodes, and they are also called pathogens. From the pictures included, from left to right, we have leaf blight caused by a fungus that also includes yellowing or chlorosis of the leaf. Then we have leaf blight caused by a fungus. Then mosaic pattern is caused by a virus, and black rot caused by bacteria. The Crop Protection Division at the ARC Vegetable Industrial Medicinal Plants at the Roodeplaat have a team of researchers conducting research mainly in 3 areas to mitigate risks for crops. These include pest and disease surveys, integrated pest and disease management, and soil health. Plant health research includes a range of methodologies and technologies, and it includes from working in the field to high-tech laboratory technologies and advanced data analysis. Some of the projects that we are working on include the evaluation and survival of bacterial wilt pathogen in soil over time under different environmental conditions, characterization of pathogen populations in various production areas such as on Alternaria blight, Streptomyces scab, Fusarium dry rot, black dot, and then various viruses on vegetables. Several research projects are also conducted on the evaluation of control measures for pests and diseases, such as the leaf miner pest on potato, as well as potato early dying disease complex. So why are plant pests and diseases important? Plants make up 80% of the food we eat and produce 98% of the oxygen we breathe. Plant pests and diseases are responsible for losses of up to 40% of the food crops globally. Up to 30% of the production costs going into producing crops are just for pest and disease control measures. Agricultural production must rise about 60% by the year 2050 in order to feed the ever-growing world population. So without severely limited resources that is available for food production, we need to move to a more sustainable agriculture. And essential for sustainable agriculture are effective pest and disease control. Healthy plants are vital to sustainable and profitable crop production and to the quality and cost of the nation's supply of food, fuel, and fiber. Health of plants is also critical for use as ornamentals, nutraceuticals, cosmetics, natural resources, and animal feed. The solution for effective pest and disease control is an integrated control program. Integrated pest and disease control is a sustainable management of pests and diseases in a way that minimizes economic, health, and environmental risks. Integrated pest and disease control, often only referred to as integrated pest control or IPM, uses all available management techniques in an overall crop and pest management program. It considers all the potential pests and diseases that may impact the crop during its growth and production. Pest and disease control solutions are applied only when absolutely necessary. And an important part of IPM is actually determining if and when pest control solutions are actually needed. IPM consists of various different control measures that are integrated, including mechanical, cultural, sanitation, external factors, which mainly linked to environment, biological, chemical, and then it comes together on when and how it's applied, as well as the economic and decision-making process. Agriculture, and therefore crop protection, needs to adapt and evolve to a changing world. Climate change threatens to reduce not only the quantity of crops, lowering yields, but also the nutritional value of these crops. Rising temperatures also means that more plant pests and diseases are appearing earlier and on crops or in places where they've never been seen before. With the ever-increasing world population, gaining knowledge in food production and the protection of these resources will remain critical to successfully pursue a career path in agriculture for years to come. Learners, starting with subjects of science, mathematics, and biology, that are interested in a career relating to plant health research are encouraged to continue with tertiary education in plant pathology or related fields. With these related fields including genetics, botany, microbiology, weed science, agronomy, and many more. I want to end the presentation with one of the mottos from the International Year of Plant Health 2020, protecting plants, protecting life. Equally important is the current International Year for Fruits and Vegetables for 2021, with healthy fruits and vegetables contributing to a healthy life. Thank you.